If you're wondering how to get a refund on Amazon without returning the product, this guide will help you understand when it's possible and how to request it correctly. Many beginners don't know that in some cases, Amazon may issue a refund without asking you to send the item back. In this video, I'll explain the process step by step in a simple way. First, open the Amazon app or website and sign in to your account using your email or mobile number and password. Once logged in, go to the Your Orders section. Here you will see a list of all your recent purchases. Find the product for which you want a refund and click on it. Now select the option that says Return or Replace Items. Even if you don't want to return the item, this is the section you need to start your request. Choose a reason for the return, such as damaged item, wrong product, or not as described. Make sure to select the most accurate reason, as this increases your chances of getting a refund without return. After that, Amazon will show you the available options. In some cases, you may see a refund without return option or something similar. This usually happens for low-cost items, damaged goods, or products where return shipping is not practical. If this option is available, simply select it and confirm your request. If you don't see that option, you can still try contacting Amazon customer support through chat or call. Explain your issue clearly and politely. Sometimes, support agents may approve a refund without requiring the return based on your situation. Keep in mind that this option is not guaranteed for every product or order. Amazon decides this based on item value, seller policy, and your account history. In short, you can request a refund without return by going through the return process and checking if the option is available, or by contacting support if needed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this.